Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore Odoo Website Customer Address Book module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, in the Apps section, make sure the Odoo Website Customer Address Book module is installed and activated. After that, navigate to Website, then under My Account, click on My Account. As you can see, the Manage Address Book button has been added after installing the module. Click on it. Here, you'll see the Add Address option for both the delivery address and billing address. You can add any address you want here. Now, let's add a delivery address. Once you've filled in all the required details, click the Save Address button. Now, as you can see, there is a Same as Delivery Address option for the billing address. If you enable it, the same address will be used for both the delivery address and billing address. Otherwise, you'll need to add a separate billing address. Now, let's see the functionality of the module by adding a product to the cart. We have added this product to our cart. Now, click Checkout. As you can see, the delivery address we created has been added here. If you enable the Same as Delivery Address option, the same address will be used for both the delivery address and billing address. Now click the Confirm button and then click the Pay Now button. As you can see, our address is displayed here. If we purchase another product in the future, we'll be able to select the saved address from here without entering the details again. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.